In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add font to AutoCAD. We're going to install SHX fonts by placing them in AutoCAD's fonts folder. Then confirm they show up inside the program. This is a quick process, but doing it carefully will save you headaches later. First, make sure AutoCAD is completely closed. If it's open while you copy fonts, AutoCAD won't register them and you'll end up wondering why nothing changed. Give it a moment to shut down fully before moving on. Next, locate the font files you want to add. AutoCAD uses SHX fonts, so you will be looking for files with the .shx extension. Open the folder where you saved or extracted those fonts. If they came in a compressed archive, extract them first so you are working with the actual .shx files. When you've found them, select the ones you want and copy them. Now, open File Explorer and navigate to the AutoCAD Installation Fonts folder. The default path is C drive, then open Program Files. Then open Autodesk, then open AutoCAD version, then scroll to open Fonts. If you installed AutoCAD to a custom location, head to that directory and look for the Fonts folder inside the AutoCAD installation. This folder is specific to AutoCAD and is different from the Windows System Fonts folder. So make sure you are in the correct place. Paste your copied SHX files into this fonts folder. Because this is inside program files, Windows may ask for administrator permission. Approve the prompt to continue. If you are asked to replace an existing file with the same name, pause and make a quick backup of the original by copying it elsewhere before deciding whether to overwrite. It's also a good idea to keep a backup of any new fonts you add, so you can restore them later or use them on another workstation. With the files in place, restart AutoCAD. A fresh start is important because AutoCAD scans its fonts folder when it launches. Once it's open, go to your font selection or text style settings and look for the names of the fonts you just added. You should now see them listed and ready to use in your drawings. If you don't see them, double-check that you placed the files in the correct version's fonts folder and that the file extensions are .shx. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.